To start a live lecture, click on the Live Lecture tab just to the right of Tab Management. Here you'll have three options of different settings you can turn on, with options being sharing your screen, sharing audio, or sharing your camera. If you do choose to share your screen, when you click on the Start Live Lecture button, you'll be presented with a new window asking you what you'd like to share. You have options between your entire desktop, a specific application, or a specific Chrome tab. Once you click on what you'd like to share, hit the Share button and your screen will be sent to the student devices. Students will get a direct live feed of whatever you chose to share, and you can view that by clicking on the student screen. The students will have two options down below, with one button being a hand raise, which will let them ask a question, and the other button letting them view the questions that have already been answered. If you do receive a question from a student, it'll populate in the bottom right-hand section of the Live Lecture tab, and you can answer a question by clicking on the Answer button. Once you click on Answer Question, a new window will pop up letting you answer that question either for the specific student who asked it or for the entire class. If you choose to respond to the entire class, the question along with the answer will be published anonymously to all the students in your classroom.